15 phrases for being rich and poor. She's very wealthy. She's loaded. She's filthy rich. She's making a killing. She's raking in the cash. She's rolling in the dough. She's quite well off. She inherited a fortune. He's short on cash. He's broke. He's pinching pennies. He's scrimping and saving. His bank account is overdrawn. He's just scraping by. He makes minimum wage. Check out these other great videos from Ajarn Mieder and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.